Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to add links to the shopping list in WP Recipe Maker. What I mean is, when you generate a shopping list and when you roll over an ingredient, it doesn't currently do anything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a link to the shopping list that when somebody would click on one of the ingredients, that it actually brings you to a different web page about the ingredient. Now, there's two ways of using this. That somebody could be shopping online, so you could link to products in the supermarket with an affiliate link, or with Amazon. You know, if you have unusual ingredients that are hard to source there, people might buy them online and stuff, okay? But I was reading in one of the big food groups called Clean Food Dirty Girl there on Facebook there a couple of weeks ago. And what was really interesting, they're massive. They have nearly about, I think it's nearly 70,000 members. They're a meal plan business that's based in Hawaii over in America. So they're doing really, really well. But anyway, it's always very interesting to watch the topics of discussion in those big food groups. And people were talking about sending their partner, spouse, whatever, to the supermarket, and they didn't know what an ingredient was. So forget about making money with the affiliate links. I thought it would be extremely useful to actually link to maybe an article about the ingredient on Wikipedia, or you know that they're going to Tesco, whatever, Tesco be a main supermarket here in Ireland, and you could actually link to the ingredient on the company's website to show the person what you mean by it, because several people were saying that their partner, whatever, that wouldn't be used to cooking and stuff, was in the supermarket, and they'd have to give them a call or text them and ask them, what is it, this ingredient, what does it look like? So this could be extremely useful for people that are in that situation, so that mightn't know what something is. So I'm going to pick an ingredient here, and I'm going to show you how to link to an information article or the company's website about it. So I'm going to go into WP Recipe Maker, go into Manage, Custom Fields, and I'm in the wrong place. It's Recipe Fields, and we need to go, here we are, it's Ingredients, okay? And so we have a column over here called Link, and we want to, there's a good one to do actually, Scotch bonnet chili, because there will be people that wouldn't know what that is. It's one of the hotter chilies. I love them myself. They're really, really good, but a lot of people wouldn't eat them. That they're particularly very, very spicy. So here we go. We just go change link there, and I'm going to go SCOT, Scotch bonnet, and there we go. We'll go to Wikipedia, and there's an article about it now, and we will go up to the browser, we will copy the link, we'll go back to our website, we will go paste link there, okay, and that is saved. So, and the link should be use default, that should be for SEO reasons. Use no follow, and so that's done there. So okay, I want to go back to my shopping list. Oh, I'm not sure now, is Scotch bonnet here? It'll be in my vegetable sections. It is there, isn't it, folks? Or is it pumpkin? No, I've red chili. What have I here? Red, it's not actually here, so I have a problem there now to show you this. So I need to do another one. I go spinach. Spinach is possibly an ingredient that people wouldn't know what it is actually. And so I go to SPINACH, There we go. Spinach is there, so I'm going to link to that, copy, go back to my site. I'm going to search for spinach here, spinach wash. There it is. I want to change the URL. We go OK. That should be use no follow. There it is, folks. Now, so when I refresh the page, yeah, you see, I need to regenerate the shopping list because it hasn't showed up yet. So if I just make a couple of edits there, I think regenerate shopping list. And fresh vegetables, and you can see it worked, folks. Okay, so there it is now on the shopping list. I thought this was so useful. Like, we can put photographs in the actual recipe card with the instructions as well of processes, but I thought this was extremely useful for showing the link to an information article about a product, or if we go to, just to show you, tesco.ie and search groceries, SPINACH there, and so they mightn't, they mightn't have fresh spinach. Oh, they do. There it is. You see, you'd have different brands of products as well, folks. You know, you might like a particular brand, so you could link to that to show people the particular brand that you wanted. So if I just go here, I just want to show you actually that this does work. See that? When I clicked on the spinach washed in the recipe card, it shows me what the ingredient is. And then, so if I want to change it to the product page in the supermarket, I need to change that URL to Tesco. I'll go, okay, that's there now, but I need to regenerate the shop list because the link won't be correct. Generate shop list, and I want to close the Tesco link to make sure that this is working. Go to spinach washed, and there you go, folks. It goes to the product page on the supermarket. So I thought it was a really smart idea, and it'll save all these text messages and back and forwards with people trying to explain ingredients, that if your partner, spouse, whatever, is down in the supermarket, or maybe it's your children at college as well and they don't know what an ingredient is, and it'll be there for them to show people what you mean with your recipes. So that's it, folks. See you